Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to show you a way for you to hold and maintain value in your cryptocurrency as you're going through your crypto journey. So it's going to be with Coinbase. So move this out. All right. So in your dashboard, as you all know, you can do Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. So now, let's just say that, and I'll show you mine. I have all of $161 in my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so let me go over to Bitcoin, the chart for Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. This is where I do all my research. Okay, all right, cool. So this is the Bitcoin chart for the last 3 months. All right, so now, and by the way, I hope some people were able to get in down here when Bitcoin got down to 6,300. I hope you're able to get in and get a little piece of it. I suggest everybody get at least one Bitcoin. Okay, and as you can see here, December, what date was this? December 17th. It got up to close to, if not I think it touched 20,000. This is saying 19,991, but very close to $20,000. And then of course it had a pullback of about, what is it, 30%? No, 6% pullback. Okay, so now here's a pullback. I hope you're able to get in here so that you can ride the wave as it goes back up. And of course they're saying that Bitcoin is going to get to $50,000 by the end of 2018. Okay, so now that I got that out the way, this is what I want to show you. So once you learn how to read charts and kind of get an idea of how charts work, let's just say that I think that Bitcoin, for the moment, now as you can see, Bitcoin goes up and down, up and down, up and down. There is no straight arrow that goes from this amount all the way up to 20,000. No, it's going to go this, do this all during the time. So this is a recent high, about 12,000 right here. February 20th, it hit about 12,000, okay? And then it came back down, and now it looks like it might go right back up to 12,000. Now, personally, I think if it does get to 12,000, this is going to resist going above 12,000, and it'll probably come back down. Okay? Now, eventually, I think it'll go back up, and it will pass that resistance of 12,000, and it will go back up, and I think it'll go up higher than 20,000. Okay, but along the way it's going to keep going up down like this. Okay, so now the point I want to make is this: I think that at some point it is going to hit 12,000, and it's going to pull back. Okay, let's just say that, now I'm going to go back to my Coinbase. Let's just say that as of right now, we know Bitcoin, let me make sure I get the price. Bitcoin as of right now is 10,843. Okay, and I think based on the chart it's going to go to 12,000, but when it gets to 12,000 it's going to pull back. Here's what I would do as just a minor strategy in this game. I would say, okay, my little $161 as of right now is how much I have of Bitcoin. Okay, 0.015, that's how much I have, equal to 161 bucks at the current price of Bitcoin, which is 10,843. So what I will do is I'm going to wait for Bitcoin to go to 12,000, and once it gets to 12,000, I'm going to go here, make sure I'm clicked on Bitcoin, and I'm going to click on sell. Okay, I'm going to sell that Bitcoin once it gets to 12,000. Why am I going to do that? Because I think that once it gets to 12,000, it's going to go back down just a little bit. But I've made a little bit of money, okay, between now when it's at 10,800 now and when it goes to 12,000. So between here and 12,000, I'm going to make a little bit of money. Okay, it might only be $30, it might be $15, I don't know, I can calculate that, but the point is, I think it's going to go to 12,000, and I'm going to make a little bit of money between this and how much I make when the price of Bitcoin gets to 12,000, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell it, but I'm not going to put it back in my bank. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to go to my USD wallet. And I'm going to sell it and have it sitting in my USD wallet inside my Coinbase account. Okay, and I would just say, okay, I'm going to sell. Actually, I'm not going to go to US dollar. I'm going to go to Bitcoin. I would sell 0.015 amount, this is this amount here, okay, I would sell that amount and I would send it. It says Bitcoin sales are temporarily disabled, okay, for the moment, okay, but theoretically this is what I would do. I would take this amount of Bitcoin and I would put that amount right in here, or maybe you can sell max, there you go, how about that? All right, and then I would sell that amount and it would go inside my USD wallet. Okay, so that means that I would lock in the profit that I would make between now, this amount, at when Bitcoin is currently at 10,800, and how much I'll make when it goes up to 12,000. I'll be locking in that little bit of profit, and it'll be sitting right here in my USD wallet. And then all I would do is, let me go back to the chart. All I would do is I would wait. So I'm guessing that Bitcoin is going to go to 12. Okay. And when it goes to 12, I'm going to sell it and put that money, actual fiat money, into my USD wallet. Then I'm just going to wait for it to go right back down. And if it goes back down to this point right here, this low point of 9,600, I'm going to use that money to turn back around. Let me get this out of the way. I'm going to, once it gets back down to this point here, so I'm waiting for it to go up here to 12,000. Then I'm going to sell it. And then once it comes back down here, guess what? I'm just going to buy it again. So the money that's going to be sitting here, let's just say it's going to be $190. Let's just say, okay, that's going to be $190 sitting right here. Then all I'm going to do is go back in and buy Bitcoin again. Okay, click on this, make sure it's Bitcoin. This is going to say something like, instead of 80 cents, it's going to say something like $190 or $200 or whatever it says. And I'm just going to buy that much, $190 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And so you see, I've made a little bit of money. I've made a little bit of profit just in holding the Bitcoin in my wallet and then selling it at the right time and then turning around and buying it again. So it's a way for you to make money as Bitcoin goes. I'm going to go back to the chart. As Bitcoin goes up and down and does these little bumps and falls back and goes up and comes back down, it's a way for you to make a little bit of money as it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. And you're making money when it goes up, and then you sell it, and then you wait for it to go back down, and you buy it again, and you wait for it to go back up. It's just a way for you to make a little bit of money as you're riding the Bitcoin wave. Okay, you don't necessarily have to buy it here and hold it forever until it gets to wherever you think it's going to go. You can buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, and make little increments of money all along the way. Okay, so I just want to show you that little strategy that you can do inside of your Coinbase account. All right, if you have any questions, leave them in the chat box so we can discuss. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.